Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll until you will find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down to find this sound and vibration section, and as you can see, two options which are at the top are connected with the ringtone. They are divided between two different SIM cards, which means you can set totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and totally different for another one. So let me show it to you how to change the ringtone using the first SIM card, but it doesn't really matter, it works the same. After tapping on the specific phone ringtone, we will have this pop-out window with the pre-installed ringtones from which you can choose. At the top, we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of the list, we've got this option Add Ringtone, which means that we can open it and we will enter our own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere here or in any other folders, and you will be able to set it as your ringtone. But let me pick something from the pre-installed ones, and basically all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it, and this is how it works, and this is how we can check the specific ringtones. Basically, let's pretend I would like this Kuma to be set as my ringtone, so just make sure that it is marked and confirm it with OK. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.